Is it time to buy or sell Richtech Robotics stock? In this video, we will dive deep into Richtech Robotics. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 21st of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 20th of August, 2024, our system has categorized Richtech Robotics as a hold or accumulate, awarding it a score of 0.27. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it is currently reflecting a loss of 2.27% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.14% since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $1.31 would initially indicate a slower rate of decline, but it could also be the first indication of a potential shift in the trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately negative 20.02% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging between negative 80.68% and negative 18.49%. Our latest daily update for Richtech Robotics includes the headline: Significant movements in Richtech Robotics Incorporated stock price on Wednesday, with a fluctuation of 25.21% between high and low. The stock price of Richtech Robotics Incorporated experienced a decline of 2.27% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 21st of August, 2024, falling from $1.32 to $1.29. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 25.21%, reaching a low of $1.19 and a high of $1.49. The price has shown volatility during this period, with an impressive gain of 108.6% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should ideally follow the stock's movement. Specifically, on the last trading day, the volume dropped by 82 million shares, resulting in a total of 29 million shares being exchanged, amounting to approximately $37.09 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $12.29, while the lowest price was 30 cents. Currently, the stock price stands at 89.50%, or $11, below the 52-week high of $12.29, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Richtech Robotics, trading under the symbol RR, has been making headlines recently with the installation of its Adam humanoid drink robot at a Walmart location in Rockford, Illinois. This marks an important step in their ambitious plan to roll out 240 robots across One Kitchens nationwide, showcasing the company's commitment to integrating advanced robotics in the hospitality sector, particularly as the industry faces significant labor shortages. This strategic move not only enhances operational efficiency, but also positions Richtech as a key player in the automation space, potentially driving long-term revenue growth. Richtech stock has shown remarkable resilience this year, rising by over 54% recently, indicating strong investor confidence. Analysts note that the company is effectively managing its operations, avoiding excessive dilution of shares, in contrast to competitors like Serve Robotics, further solidifying its financial health. In the short term, ongoing positive developments, such as the recent installation announcements, are likely to boost RR's stock price as they attract investor attention and encourage speculative trading. Long term, if the rollout proves successful, it could significantly enhance revenue streams and market positioning, making Richtech Robotics a company to watch in the evolving tech landscape. Overall, these factors suggest a bullish trend for RR stock, underpinned by innovation and strategic expansion. Analyst ratings on Tuesday, the 26th of April, 2022, it was reported that JP Morgan assigned RR an underweight grade, accompanied by a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned Richtech Robotics a general strong sell rating for its stock. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio and price-to-book ratio both as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for Richtech Robotics. Richtech Robotics Inc. stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. Should there be downward corrections, support can be anticipated at 83 cents and $1.09. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was noted from a pivot top point on Tuesday, August 20th, 2024, and the stock has since declined by 2.27%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading session, which lowers the overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggested a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 24 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also issued a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 12 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average generated a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average produced a buy signal 3 days ago as well. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 135 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Richtech Robotics. Richtech Robotics Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $1.25. This level may represent a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, characterized by high volatility. The large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band categorizes this stock as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 3 cents between its highest and lowest points, equating to a 25.21% change. Over the last week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 38.96%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Richtech Robotics, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric gauges a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. It's worth noting that even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may point to insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Richtech Robotics. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Richtech Robotics is at $1.32. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Richtech Robotics faces its first support level at $1.25. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $1.23, reflecting a decline of 4.45%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. Furthermore, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 11 days ago. Is Richtech Robotics stock a good buy? Richtech Robotics Inc. displays several positive indicators. However, they do not sufficiently warrant a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it is advisable to consider it as a hold or accumulate position while awaiting further developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current share price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, August 22nd, we anticipate that Richtech Robotics will open at 3.33 cents and begin trading at $1.32. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.